Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing something that is essential for many outdoor projects, post hole diggers. If you're looking for the best post hole digger, you've come to the right place. Good post hole diggers are vital for a variety of projects, such as installing fences, decks, or even planting trees. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to decide which one suits your needs best. We're here to simplify your decision-making process by providing you with an overview of the top post hole diggers available in the market right now. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Extreme Power US Electric Post Hole Digger with. There's no need to break the bank to break ground. The Extreme Power US Electric Post Hole Digger can handle many excavating projects at a reasonable price. This post hole digger will run on an extension cord plugged into a standard house outlet, providing hole digging anywhere the cord reaches. The Extreme Power US has a 1,200 watt 10.9 amp motor that produces 1.6 horsepower and 90 feet per pound of torque. It weighs under 30 pounds and features a grip-mounted lockout switch and trigger, making it comfortable and easy to use. It also comes with a 4-inch auger that measures 32 inches long but can extend with Extreme Power US's extension kit. Some good things about the hole digger. The best things about its lightweight yet powerful, capable of digging most post holes, no gas needed, electric power source also operates relatively quietly and comfortable grip is easier to operate for longer periods. Number 2. Landworks Cordless Earth Auger. Landworks Earth Auger combines the portability of a gas-powered post hole digger with the convenience and easy use of an electric model. This battery-powered post hole digger has a 2-horsepower motor that runs at speeds up to 320 RPMs, providing enough power for some pretty compact soil. It comes with wide handles and a grip-mounted trigger for added control over this lightweight 32.6-pound machine. It comes with Landworks 48V2A battery and charger, powering the brushless motor for up to 30 holes. The power head even features a built-in LED for lighting the work area or checking in the hole. It comes with a 6-inch auger that measures 30 inches long, but you can add a standard 3/4 inch extension for boring even deeper. Some good things about the hole digger. The best things about the hole digger: it features a grip-mounted trigger for added control, lightweight and cordless functionality is great for working on large remote properties, and no gas fumes or noise to worry about with an electric unit. Number 3. DC House 2-stroke gas-powered post hole digger. For a project that requires a heavy-duty post hole digger, consider the DC House 52 cubic centimeters 2.4 horsepower gas-powered post hole digger. The powerful 2-stroke engine powers the auger into tough, compacted soil, good for installing posts faster than many other gas-powered diggers. It also has 2 wide handles with a grip-mounted throttle for easy control and a 1.2-liter gas tank for extended use. This kit comes with both a 6 and 10-inch auger, providing the capability to handle smaller projects like metal posts and mailboxes as well as heavier-duty 4x6 posts and footings. It also comes with an extension to dig holes to depths up to 55 inches. Beware that this burly machine does weigh 51.65 pounds, so it could be a handful for some users. Some good things about the hole digger. The best things about the hole digger: its powerful engine is great for hard, compacted soil, multiple auger sizes to choose from, can create different size holes, its high power saves time and drills holes faster than less powerful options. Number 4. Extreme Power US Electric Post Hole Digger with 6-bit. Digging into hard, compacted soil can be difficult for light-duty electric post hole diggers, but not so with the Extreme Power US Electric Post Hole Digger. The high-wattage 10.9 amp motor creates up to 90 feet per pound of torque, enough to wiggle stubborn rocks loose. The Extreme Power US has 2 thick, non-slip grips to keep this powerful post hole digger under control. It also features a grip-mounted trigger and a safety lockout switch. The kit comes with a 6-inch auger that measures 31.5 inches long, but it can easily connect to an extension kit for digging deeper. It also weighs under 30 pounds, making it reasonably easy to handle. Some good things about the Hole Digger. The best things about the Hole Digger: its non-slip handles make it easy to maintain a firm grip during operation, simple to maintain, all areas of the tool are accessible and straightforward. It also includes a safety lock for added security. Number 5. Ames Post Hole Digger with Ruler. Digging holes manually isn't a lot of fun, but sometimes it's the most convenient or even the only option. For these scenarios, check out the Ames Post Hole Digger. This traditional manual post hole digger has a 6.25-inch spread at the point and weighs just 6 pounds, helping to dig holes for 4x4 fence posts without a large machine. The Ames Post Hole Digger has 2 hardwood handles with cushioned grips for avoiding blisters and fatigue. The handles are 44 inches long, providing an overall length of 58.75 inches. They also have measurement hashes for determining the depth of the hole without taking out a tape measure. Some good things about the Hole Digger. The best things about the Hole Digger: its handy measuring stick on the handle allows users a quick glance at their progress, cushion grip makes it easier to use for long periods, and much more affordable alternative to expensive motorized options.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our products, as it will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching the video.